Attention helicopter buyers! Stop what you are doing and look no further than this 2022 Bell 505, proudly listed by Sellacopter. With factory lead times reaching 18 months, you can skip the wait and start enjoying this helicopter today. With only 54 hours total time and less than 1 year since manufacture, this helicopter is like new. The exterior is a sleek gunmetal gray with black registration, providing a masculine, modern look. The interior is equally impressive, featuring cream leather with gray accent. Ensuring the pilot has all the tools to safely accomplish any mission, the helicopter is equipped with the GFC 600 Autopilot, Garmin G1000NXi, radar altimeter, traffic advisory system, and second VHF COMM. But that's not all. Coupled with superior avionics, this 505 has nearly all the optional equipment add-ons available, including air conditioning with right-hand evaporation kit, Bose headset adapter, lithium battery, high skid gear with crew step, solar advantage tinted acrylic glass, lumbar support, wire strike prevention kit, and finally, the precise flight pulse light control system. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own this incredible helicopter. Contact Sean Moretz to schedule a showing. Sellacopter, list it, sell it, done.